Hey, it's Madison. The first form of author's craft that I saw that she pointed out was this right here. Lily Brown loves her mama, daddy, and baby brother and the world they live in. And she said right off the bat the author uses active voice. Doing this lets us as readers know that the story is mostly going to focus on Lily Brown as opposed to the others in the story. So, active voice, which I think is a great thing to point out since that's what our last lesson was just on, it really helps show, like she said, that this is about Lily Brown. It's about what she does, and this is her story, and this is essentially all about her paintings. So I think that that was a really good idea for her to point out. The one that I pointed out that she did not, just one second, get to it, was here. In Lily Brown's paintings, the path to the park becomes a wild animal living room with antelopes lounging and alligators on the phone. And I think that this just really, it's an example of a run-on sentence, and it just shows everything that's going on. And within the whole book, it shows how Lily Brown's imagination is just crazy cool, and I mean, like a young child should be. And all of her paintings are so, they have her own touch to them. And this one, just like how it matches the page, it's just so busy, and the run-on sentence really just works well with this because it just shows that there's this going on. It's like a wild animal living room, as they say. There's antelopes lounging and alligators on the phone, and that just helps to show our imagination. And I think that together, that these two really work to help set the tone of the book because the when she uses the active voice, when Johnson uses the active voice, then that's helped to show that everything is about Lily Brown. And then when she uses the run-on sentence, it just goes to show how her mind is just kind of running a million miles a minute for this particular photo or painting. And in other ones, there's different, sometimes she'll use an ellipsis. And that'll help show how she stops and she thinks and she wanders off a little bit. So I think that Johnson effectively uses different crafts throughout her story to thoroughly create a good tone and set a good tone. So I think she did a great job with her annotations, and once again, I look forward to working with this group. Thank you.